Namaste beloved friends, welcome back for the new meditation technique. Today in this video I am going to tell you a very beautiful meditation technique. It's developed by the Osho and the name of the technique is prayer meditation, Pratna Dhyan. So first we try to understand what is prayer. So if you go around, if you see people go into the temple or church or mosque, they are doing the prayer also there, but what kind of prayer they are doing? You can see, you can just watch the people, they are just worshipping blindly, and then they want something back from the God. They want, like, I am praying to you and you give me something, like you give me job, you give me this money, you give me the husband or wife, then I will give you some donation, some money, like this. It's kind of business kind of thing we are doing with the God also. We are making the business, and it's like very bad we are doing. It's not pure prayer. So in this meditation we are doing actual prayer. So actual prayer is just surrender, just feel the gratitude. The attitude of gratitude is the real prayer. So in this very beautiful and interesting meditation we will do this feeling of gratitude and thankfulness to the divine. And yeah, this is a just simple technique without anything. You don't have to do anything, just surrender there. So I will tell the technique, and then hope you can practice at your home with your friends or family members, or just alone you can practice it. So let's start the technique. So this technique you can do before going to the sleep, like 15-20 minutes before going to the bed. You can just practice it, and if you practice this before going to the sleep, your sleep quality will change. You will feel more in the morning, you will feel more energy, more joy, more happiness when you wake up in the morning, because whole night it will go. All the meditation what we do before sleeping, it will go. Like if you sleep 8 or 10 hours in the night, so whole night will be peaceful and relaxed. So this is amazing technique if you do it before going to the sleep. So for this technique you have to sit in Vajrasana. So how to sit in Vajrasana? You have to fold your knees and you sit on your heels like this. Okay, so if you can't sit on your heels, you can also put some cushion in between, something, so it's the spine is uprooted, upright. And in this technique you just raise your hand upward, relax hand, the palm is facing forward, and just relax there, like you are in the surrender position. You just surrender to divine mother earth or nature, and just feel like the energy is coming from up into your body, from up. It's like something is coming from up, and it's purifying yourself, purifying the body and the mind. It's the energy is coming from up. It's like you can also imagine like you are sitting under a waterfall, and the water is like water is coming from up to down in your body. So you can imagine yourself and just be there, just surrender yourself completely. Whatever happening, let it happen. So for like 1-2 minutes you will feel, really you will feel the energy is coming from up to down in your heart center, and it's filling you. And maybe you will feel like shaking. You can do the shaking, or just like it's like you are just doing nothing there, just surrender there. And when you fill with the energy, then you bow down, you touch your forehead to the ground, and just feel that you are like you take all the energy from the sky, from the nature, and then you are giving back that energy again. It's like you are taking it and giving, taking it and giving. You are not taking to yourself, but you are just a medium here. It's like feeling, you just feel that you are just a medium. And when you feel this kind of surrender thing, everything will come out, like all the joy and happiness will sprout from your being. So just do this technique, hand there and just bow down in front of you, head touching, the forehead touching to the ground, and just be there. And when you feel like you are empty, complete empty, then again come back. So this process we have to repeat 7 times to purify each and every chakras. So if you can't do the 7 times, then the sleep you will not get the proper sleep. So we have to work on each chakra. So energy is coming from up to down and it purifying the Mooladhara chakra, then the other chakra, and it moving upward. So we have to do this second time, and then third time, then fourth time. So it will take less than 15 minutes. You do this and then just go to the sleep immediately after that, and you will feel more joy, you will feel more relaxed after this technique. Very beautiful and very amazing technique. You can practice in your daily life. So hope you understand the instruction, just simple instruction, sitting on the Vajrasana on your heels and taking the hands up and just surrender there and feel that the energy is coming, pouring down from your head, from your hands to your body, and it purifying you. And then at last you surrender and give all the energy back to the Mother Earth. Then second time, third time, fourth time, and 7 time we have to practice this. So this was a very beautiful technique, and you can practice it and let me know how you feel after practicing this in the comment section, or you can also email me if you have any problem and any questions you have. So thank you for watching me, and hope you like this technique, and you can spread this technique to other people also, and they can also feel the all the beauty and all the loving and kindness inside the heart. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Be happy, be peaceful, and be loving. Namaste.